Welcome back to Cobra's Mini Projects. Paige and I are going to take down a deer stand that we put up behind the house. We really just do, I guess, observation from it. We don't really hunt from it. But anyways, our other deer stands are in place, and we want to put one up over at Grandpa's farm. So we're going to take that down. This should be just a small project. It's just kind of a lazy Saturday for us. But I think that thing's like 18 foot long, and I have about 4 foot of truck bed. So it'll be an adventure taking it down the road, I think. And then we got to put it back up, and we won't be able to use the trusty Vermeer. We're going to have to use Grandpa's Great All. So we'll be switching equipment to put it back up, but we'll go see if we can get this thing down. Okay, so here's the old deer blind or deer stand, and I've got a strap down here at the bottom holding the, I would call like the foot brace, and everything's kind of taped, but it's just to keep the noise down so it's not so creaky. And up here, this is not a very comfortable deer stand, and the top kind of rotted out of it. So what I ended up doing was just taking some boards and screwing them into the top. So it's functional, but not ultimately that comfortable. So I can untie some of this. You know, I came all the way up here and I started thinking to myself, once I untie all this, this thing's just going to come crashing down. So I probably need to rethink my strategy just a little bit here. I think I got ahead of myself just thinking about getting out here and getting this done. So, yeah, I think it makes sense for me to get the Vermeer hooked up to this. Okay, rethinking that. Since this is on level ground, I went ahead and drove the tractor around to the spot. That Paige can just adjust it from there instead of trying to drive it up on that uneven ground. So let's see here. Paige, can you turn the Vermeer? You're just going to rotate it towards me a little bit, okay? So we'll give it throttle first. And you're going to, real easy. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Keep going. Keep going. Yep, that's good. That's good. That's good. All right, bud, that'll do. Hold it there. Okay, now pull back on the green. Will it go up any higher? Real easy. Okay. All right, that looks like it'll be all we're going to get out of this. Okay, come forward. This is going to be exciting when I turn this loose. Just trying to think. Yeah, let me cinch this up just a little bit more. There we go. Let's try it again. There we go. I think last time what we did was we had a ladder. But I really want to try this without a ladder. Yeah. Yeah. This looks to be my safety strap. Let's go ahead and take that guy off. Okay, so this one's off. I wonder if I can throw this to myself through here. 1, 2, whoops, 3. No way. Oh, I had you. This is not the same. Oh. Go down there and grab this and throw it back up to me. Yeah, it's all fun and games.
I got it. No. No, no, no.
All right, now take the slack, flip it over the tree. There you go. Can you flip the slack to me one more time? All right, you're gonna have to throw the knot to me, or the thing to me. Nice. All right, so I've got this thing wrapped around after much stress and troubles. So now the idea is I can unlatch the upper one, and then I'll just get down on the old Vermeer, unhook that, and then I can unhook this lower one, and then it's going to be doing the dance, and I'll just ride this bucking Bronco. I think. We'll see. I do not want to get too high.
Whatever you do, it's only 18 feet.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, it released. It released and it didn't wobble hardly at all because I think it's pulling on that one I just put on. So that's good news. I predicted it to get a little bit loose, but it really went well. So let me get down a little bit further here. Now this is where I start losing faith in the deer stand. So I want to get myself to where I feel I'm pretty much 100% on the tractor here. Okay. We'll crack this loose. Now, oops, no. Yeah, super. All right. All right, Miss Page. I'm going to just hang on to this thing really good. Try not to knock this out of the tree. All right. Yeah, nothing's really holding that thing now except gravity. Okay, should be completely disconnected. I'm going to try to back it off that tree and swing it down to the ground. So if there's one thing I've noticed right now is the ladder is up against the front of the tractor. So I'm gonna have to try, we'll see how this goes, but I'm gonna have to lift that ladder and get it out from underneath that tractor. We'll see how that happens or how that goes. Almost there. Okay. Now I stuck that end back in the dirt. And we'll see if it flies up or if it'll ride down. She elected to fly up. That's all right, we were ready for it. This is great. Now I don't even have to lift it. And you can see by the video, all we did was just put it right there at a tree at the edge of the property. We were just like, hey, in the morning, let's go see if we can see some deer come through. So anyways, wasn't doing us much good. Now I just got to take the bottom portion of these legs off. This gets a little sticky because we've got all this tape on it to keep it more silent in the woods. sticky in more ways than one. Let's see how that grabs. Maybe. And just hold that end out there. And we'll see if we can guide it in the truck. Now, Paige, I'm guessing you might even have to push down on that a little bit. So just don't let it, you're fine. Just don't let it hit you in the teeth. There you go. You able to get it?
What?
Uh, yeah. So lift up on it just a little bit.
Like pull down?
No, lift up.
What? You actually driving this thing in there? It's like a straight down.
Okay. All right, easy. Easy. Keep coming. Hang on, babe. All right. We're going to set it down now. Okay. Okay, stop there. Good. Good. Oh. Yeah, let her ease her on down there, cowboy. All right. Not bad. See that? Okay. Addison, drive us forward there, babe. You got that? Okay, put the brake on. Okay, let's go down. I kind of like it. Brake. All right, now boom me out. Like, bro, she's like totally low key. Good.
Look, he awesome.
Low key great, man. So we'll get this strap on this one. This is kind of your main grabber. I wrapped it a little bit differently because we're kind of going around two posts there. You saw that. Okay, get out of the grid all a second. All right, climb up there, get in the tree stand, and tell me what you see.
Hold my phone.
Hold my phone. Famous last words. Don't fall.
This thing's solid.
I don't know. Looks a little sketch there, Paige.
Trim the other side of it, maybe. Yeah, trim those. And then, yeah, it's honestly fine after that.